Hello everyone, we're SOEASY. Do you want to unlock more value from your rooftop? Today, we're introducing our asphalt solar shingle mounting solution Asphalt Solaris Shingle, designed to significantly enhance the value of your rooftop. Traditional solar installation methods require drilling holes in the roof, which not only damages the roof's integrity but may also cause water leakage and other issues. In contrast, Asphalt Solaris Shingle features a drill-free design and is fixed with special hooks, protecting your roof perfectly. It's like dressing your roof in a sturdy and stylish suit of armor. Once installed, the system blends seamlessly with the roof, as if it has always been part of the structure. It does not affect the roof's appearance while providing stable photovoltaic energy output. In addition to roof protection and visual consistency, Asphalt Solaris Shingle offers a high cost-performance ratio. It is easy to install, highly durable, and delivers long-term value. Supported by our professional technical team, we provide full process services, including pre-sales consultation, installation guidance, and after-sales support. This ensures a smooth installation and reliable long-term operation. Choosing Asphalt Solaris Shingle means choosing a smarter and more sustainable lifestyle. Contact us to start your rooftop solar journey.